This is Harry Vogel, Sound of Australia, the voice off the street. Current unemployment figures. Everyone's jumping up and down on both sides, 6-point-something%. Wasn't that long ago with governments in power and no coronavirus that it was up around 10%. But people got industrious and we're Aussies and we changed it and turned around and got the country going. But everyone's jumping up and down about unemployment figures. And yet you see a woman open a cafe yesterday in Sydney and said 2 of her staff wouldn't come back because they're getting paid better money at home until October, and they hide behind the COVID virus that they're worried about. So what you've all been through with isolation, you better start thinking about. Because if you vote in that box and Albanese and his left-wing idiots get in and start to shut the coal industry down, what you've just been through is just a warm-up. Start getting in touch with your politics and engaging your brain before you start talking about shit you don't know. Have a look. This is just a warm-up, and this is Harry Vogel.